happen, and that moreover you may use and enjoy the effect of grace bestowed upon you by our most Holy Father, Pope Benedict XVI, according to what is more fully described in the Apostolic Letter sent to you. I finally admit you with the kiss of peace and fraternal charity. I have praised the name of the Lord. May this give you happiness and prosperity.